Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the brand new and first unboxing of 2022, and that of course is the Lookfantastic box. Okay, so we're gonna open up the lid and it says happiness starts from within. True story. We've got a booklet. Let me just check if the prices are mentioned. New year, come on baby, mention the prices of the items. Guys, there are no prices here. At least I don't see them just yet. No. Come on. Like, really? Yeah. No prices, so this booklet is useless to me. Unfortunately, I kind of hoped we would start the new year off with actual prices of the items in the booklet, because I am too lazy to look them up online, and I think we kind of deserve to know when we pay for these boxes how much something is worth. That's always kind of exciting to know, and I just feel Lookfantastic is kind of slacking on that, so yeah. Besides, what I wanted to say was the January boxes, usually January is like new start, new year, new me, new year, blah, blah, blah. But usually in January, people tackle like active fit lifestyles. Usually we don't receive a lot of makeup in these items. Usually it's really cosmetics and feel good stuff. And honestly, January is my birthday month. But I have to say, I don't really like the January boxes. They're probably the worst of the year because everything is so focused on health and skincare than it is rather on makeup. And I personally would like to receive more makeup. So these boxes kind of suck for me. Okay, that was a really long introduction for nothing. Okay, this is the inside, stay there, of this month's box. Okay, now let's start off with the biggest thing. From Lavender Tea, it's a body wash from Bubble Tea. And it is lavender tea, it's a body wash. Let the feeling of this calm, moisturizing body wash hydrate and nourish your skin. A bespoke blended fragrance of citrus, lavender, and tea extract to soothe your skin and relax your mind. A clear botanical experience to add to your bedtime ritual. So this is what it looks like, and usually lavender products actually do help with sleeping. So if you have if you're an insomniac like me, because I don't freaking sleep, then lavender is the way to go. Very, very excited about all that. There. Okay, let's move on to Polar, and this is the Eternal Snow Youthful Promise Cream with Arctic Flowers. Okay, so this is a face cream, clearly. Wait, is it day or night? Doesn't say so. Hold on, let me just check. Blah, blah, blah. This cream forms a protective anti-age barrier, so I'm just going to assume it's a regular moisturizer, clearly not a full size, very, very small, but really excited to give that a try. Okay, let's move on to Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Shampoo. Okay, that's pretty cool. So this is what it looks like, and I remember receiving a body lotion from Ahava, and it smelled so freaking awesome. So I'm really excited to give the shampoo a try. Can we smell it? Or is it sealed? It's sealed, and I'm not going to get it out of the seal just yet because I already have a shampoo open. I don't like to open all of my stuff. I just like to leave it sealed. But I'm definitely going to use this, and of course, again, this is not a full size. Clearly, this is going to be for 2 washes for me. So when you wash your hair twice in the shower, where else would you wash it? That is going to be it for me on this size hair. Okay, moving on to Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Fall asleep faster. Wow, didn't we just talk about falling asleep? That's weird. Naturally and wake up refreshed. Is it the lavender version? Hold on. I'm just gonna spray. Oh, we got like the actual basic ass worms, like just regular old paper worms. That's fine. Maybe it's a better way, you know, to save the environment and stuff. Ooh. Yeah, no, this is not gonna help me. Okay, moving on to Bloom and Blossom the Hands Up Age Defying Hand Cream. And this is what that looks like. And I'm not going to use this, but you know what, guys? It has niacinamide in here, and I'm going to give this to my mom because she has severely dry hands. And she's going to come over here in like a minute. So I'm going to give this to my mom. Okay, we got, I think, one more item. Yep, box is empty. Okay, we got one more item in here, which is from Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump from Skin Chemists. This is what that looks like. And of course, we're going to open up. A lip plumper is always good in my opinion. I like to use these just as regular gloss, even though I have thick lips naturally. But I do like to use these as a gloss when I'm in the car often, or a long drive. My lips get crusty and dry. And holy smokes, I'm not going to get it out of it. I did just completely demolish the box. But again, because I think I already have this one. If that is true, if I already have this gloss, then another item for future giveaway. Okay, guys, that is it. We received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. No, excuse me, 6 items. 6 items. That's a lot. So I'm really happy with that. However, out of the items, I am keeping 3, and 3 I'm going to give away. So, January boxes. Like I said, I hate these boxes. Even though we did get a lot of product, just not my thing. Okay, guys, I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this particular box and about the fact that I already spritzed something out. Just let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to check out my giveaway, and I will see you guys in a next unboxing, which is gonna be this Delta box, the first one of 22. Ooh. Okay, bye.